Hello everyone, welcome to my client comparison project where I contrast and compare two beautiful cities, Cabrera in the Dominican Republic and New Bedford, Massachusetts. Let's start with Cabrera. Cabrera is found along the southern coast of Mexico, Honduras, and Costa Rica and throughout Panama. The climate in Cabrera will be warm, oppressive, windy, and cloudy, and temperature range from 71 degrees Fahrenheit to 87 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the year. Tropical climate with plenty of rainfall even in the driest month. 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness year round, more than 200 centimeters of rainfall per year. A thousand different tree species in a single square kilometer. Climate conditions usually allow this tree, which can grow as quickly as 4.5 meters a year, to keep the leaf year round. But due to deforestation, honey plants and animal species are estimated to go extinct each day. Wildlife includes 12 species of reptiles, 20 species of amphibians, and 32 species of mammals. Right here are a few features of Cabrera. These two will be close to the coast of the island of the Dominican Republic, and this will be the center of the city of Cabrera. Now let's move with New Bedford. New Bedford is found in the entire eastern half of the United States, except the Atlantic coast and the Florida Panhandle. The climate description will be humid subtropical climate with no dry season and continual rainfall. Hot and humid summer with thunderstorms, mild winters, and precipitation from mid-latitude cycles. There are distinct summers, fall, winter, and spring seasons during which temperatures oscillate between 28 degrees Fahrenheit and 30 degrees Celsius in a single year. Leaves fall, snow accumulates and melts, and new plants and leaves spread out during spring rains. Wildlife includes 20 species of amphibians, 15 species of reptiles, and 51 species of mammals. And here will be a few pictures of New Bedford, close to the coast of New Bedford. This one here will be the center of the city, New Bedford downtown. The climate in Cabrera will be classified as FA. Cabrera is a city with significant rainfall. Even in the driest month, there is a lot of rain. The average temperature in the city is 25 degrees Celsius, and I would say if we round this number, will be 78 degrees Fahrenheit if we round it. Annually precipitation are approximately 1149 millimeters and 45 inches. Cabrera is situated close to the equator, and therefore the summer are not easy to define. The best time to travel is, well, it's cool year round. Here you can see Campo climate time in the Dominican Republic. In this little circle right here will be located Cabrera, right here. Let's move with New Bedford. New Bedford, on the other hand, classification is CFA. New Bedford has a humid subtropical climate that is mild with no dry seasons, constantly moist, and year-round rainfall. Summer are hot, muggy with thunderstorms, winter mild with precipitation from mid-latitude cycles. The average temperature in New Bedford is, if we rounded this number here, would be 11 degrees Celsius and 51 degrees Fahrenheit. Annual rainfall would be 1128 millimeters and 44 inches. New Bedford geographical location is situated in the northern hemisphere. The onset of summer typically begins toward the end of June and lasts until September. So best month to visit New Bedford would be also year-round. Due to the mild climate, year-round rainfall, New Bedford is suitable for travel for our year around. That's good too. Here will be the Copen climate type for Massachusetts, and this little red mark right here will be New Bedford right here. So New Bedford, Massachusetts total heating degree days will be 5,097.90 and the cooling degree will be 765.2. So New Bedford typically experiences more heating degree days than Cabrera due to its colder temperatures during the winter months, requiring more energy for heating buildings. The high heating degree days suggest colder winters, while lower cooling degree days indicate milder summers. On the other hand, Cabrera, República Dominicana, cooling degree day will be 5,325.60 degrees days, and total heating degree day will be 1. Cabrera often has more cooling degree days compared to New Bedford due to its warmer climate resulting in higher temperature for longer durations, needing more energy for cooling buildings. New Bedford, Massachusetts tends to be wetter because it's close to the Atlantic Ocean and gets moisture from prevailing west winds. Begin in temperature climate zone with plenty of precipitation, also add to the west condition. So this is how the map of Massachusetts is gonna look. And if we see New Bedford will be located right here in this spot. Despite its coastal location, Cabrera might have drier climes like the island topography protected from the dominant eastern trade winds. This causes the area to receive less moisture, which leads to drier conditions. Winter precipitation might fall on both cities, although it might not fall in the same kind of quantities. Given its highest latitude and longer temperature, New Bedford might get more snowfall and ice during the winter. However, due to its milder temperature, Cabrera might have less winter precipitation overall with rain rather than snow. Because of its great latitude and exposure to continental water patterns, New Bedford might experience lower temperature, particularly during the winter, and on the other hand, Cabrera experience year-round milder temperature with less seasonal variation due to its tropical position. New Bedford, Massachusetts, there are several air masses from both the south and north polar marine regions. Predominantly west to east winds are at play. Weather patterns are in part by ridges and fry in the jet stream, and the way the coastal temperatures are moderated by ocean currents such as the Gulf Stream. Cabrera weather is warm and occasionally dry to northeast wind. Weather patterns impacted by the ridges and fry in the jet stream, and hurricanes and tropical storms may worse by warm water temperature. So covering the last part of my presentation, threat from hurricanes and tropical storms are severe enough to destroy livelihood, craft, and buildings. These two pictures were taken in Cabrera during the storm Isaias. I think was 2021 or 20 if I recall. High temperature and extreme drought led to shortage of water, affecting agriculture and drinking water access. So you can see this map here represents the hottest part of the island, and Cabrera should be located right here, and will be classified a very very hot area right here compared with these other ones that will be classified like very extreme ones. Also, changing rainfall patterns resulting in flooding, soil erosion, and landslides. Some of the measurements Cabrera can do is building a structure that can receive hurricane and flow, use sustainable land management techniques to lessen erosion and flood, and handle changing rainfall patterns and shortage of water to enhance water management techniques. Let's move with rainfall now. Rising sea levels and storms suggest increasing risk of coastal flooding and eruptions. Hottest temperature could lead to more frequent heat waves, which will result in health risks, especially for vulnerable populations such as elderly or people who already have health problems. Changes in temperature and precipitation affect local fishery, marine habits, and the economy. Some adaptation can even do is control coastal defense like walls, sand dunes to protect against flooding, prepare for extreme heat waves by enhancing healthcare facilities and prioritizing coast protection, and economic diversity to mitigate negative impact of fishing and tourism. Also, this picture here is not bad for hurricane berry, which we go in this category here. I hope you have enjoyed this presentation and you have learned something new about these two beautiful cities. Thank you so much.